Mga sinful imaginations, mga fantasies, mga thoughts na hindi dapat natin in-entertain. Siguro in the future kami ang magkatuluyan. I think it's a good idea. Or siguro dapat siyang napangasawa ko, baka masaya ako. Or siguro ma-meet niya ang sexual fantasies ko. Or siguro we'll be free and whatever. It will be something that I deserve that will make me happy. Sometimes meron tayong mga what we may describe as minor attractions that we think we will never give into. And yet, ang ending ng mga ganyan, extramarital affair and other things. Minsan may mga little occasional flirtations, expressions of interest, delight, concern for each other, same gender, opposite gender. Yung mga small things na yan, dapat binabantayan natin yan. Occasional compromises, mag-click-click minsan konti-konti sa pornography or mga questionable na link, whatever. We need to, by the grace of God, watch those things. Sa gabi, after midnight, darkness is really getting darker and people chatting with people na never dapat natin i-chat. Inappropriate touching with people of the opposite sex or even of the same gender. Small things, pero okay lang to. We know those things end up bad. Sometimes, not all the time. So kailangan bantayan po natin yung malilit na bagay yan. Ngayon siguro hindi pa yan pwedeng i-label na kasalanan, pero down the line, kung di natin yan bantayan, lalaki yan. For as long as you're alive, you will never be completely free from these thoughts. These are not sins per se, these are temptations, okay? And all of us experience temptation. I experience them, you experience them, everybody experiences them. Habang buhay ka pa, may temptation talaga. Ang tanong lang, anong ginagawa mo? Sabi kasi nila, and it's true, para daw yung ibon, hindi mo daw pwedeng pigilan na lumipad-lipad sa may taas ng ulo mo. Ang pwede mo lang sa pigilan, gumawa ng nest o bahay sa ulo mo. Kasi yun with consent na yun. Pero yung lilipad-lipad, alangan magdala ka ng kahoy, ganun-ganun mo. Pero yung magawa siya ng nest at pinayagan mo, yun ang hindi dapat. So, by God's grace, huwag natin payagan. Amen?